Hello friends. So in this video we will discuss about the common distribution channel and common divisions in SAP SD. So in our previous video we have discussed the enterprise structure. There we have configured these things. So we have created a sales organization, a distribution channel, a division. So I'm going to continue from this. So you all know that our video is a continuation video. So don't try to skip our previous videos. So only then I can understand the concepts better. So I have also tried to consolidate the steps and processes, and also I have tried to limit the time required to configure, so that I don't want to waste your time too. So I have tried to explain it in a more easier and in a precise way. So try to use these videos. So we have set up a sales area in our previous video with this sales organization and distribution channel and this division. So now I will create a new distribution channel so that I can explain it more better. So let me create a new one. Also, this thing division BE and with the same name I hope I have created. I will change that name to if possible. So let me enter into my configuration. Okay, I'm going to create a new distribution channel. So for that I will go to the definition. Okay, define copy delete check division. I will create a new division. Okay, go with the neon tree. So let it be BS. It is the distributor. Okay, okay. BS will configure the BS distributor for BERP. That is my company code. Okay, I've created the division. Similarly, I will assign that in the logistics general. No, not in logistics general. In sales distribution. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Similarly, search for sales org. Okay, this is my last entry. I'm going to create a new entry with BERP, the distribution channel created BS. It shows it is already exists. Let me check. So let me try again. BERP BS. Okay, I end up with some problem. Okay, I've linked the distribution channel to my sales org. You can see this thing. Okay, I have linked the sales org with the distribution channel B and the PS. So I can enter here that okay, for the same sales org, my sales organization is only one thing, that is BRP. I have linked both the B and PS distribution channels. Okay, now I'm going to set up the sales area for BS. Okay, let me do it. Saving this entry, going back. Okay, set up sales area. Click on new entry. BRP. The distribution channel what you have created now is PS. And I'm going to okay. Let me enter BS. Okay, it is online sales. B online sales. Okay, BS. I'm going to give the division as BR. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to give here also BR. Enter. Click on save. Okay. So I have done all these things. So these okay, before going to the concept, let me change this name B in the division because it will make some confusion. So let me enter into the definition sales org, not in sales org division. It is in logistics general. Okay, define division B. Okay, I cannot change this thing. Only if I can delete this, only I can change. Okay, I will delete it. Okay, no problem. Delete and save. Click on new entry. So I will change this name as BA. Let it be BA. BA as a gadget. Similarly, I have to change the assignment also. Created. Okay, no problem. I will change that thing also. Sales and distribution. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Let me check. Okay, okay. I should change this. I should delete this. This is my last entry. I will delete this. Save the thing. Again, go with the BRP BA. Okay. Oh, sorry, I have changed the distribution channel. I have to change the division. It is the same. It is not changed. I have to change the division. Where it is. Okay, it is on where it is. I think division. Okay, assign division to sales or so here I have to delete the old entry, that is okay, this B. I will delete it. Okay, I will save. Again, I have to give the new entry BRP newly created BA. Okay, I will save the entry. Okay. Similarly, I will check the sales area setup also. Let me check. Okay, it is distribution channel. Okay, division. You can see I have to delete what BR is assigned to both the things. What is BR? Okay, BR. Okay, I have to give BE with the BA. Okay, this thing BE with the. Okay, I'm converting. I have converted BE as BA. Okay, I will change it here also. I have to delete the BE and BE. Okay, there it is. There is BE, BS and BR. That is this BS and BR. So I have to change this BE and BA. So I will select this and I will delete it. Save the entry. Click on new entry BRP. What I have to do? This thing BE and BA. BE and BA. Okay. Okay. Let me check the configure our EC01. There is the structure of the organization structure. Let me check that too because I have changed the name. Where is my company code? Okay, double click on the company code. Okay, sales org BRP. Okay, this is my BRP BE and BS. Okay, similarly BA and BR. Okay, it is clear. Okay, Okay, let me go with this. So now let us concentrate on the sales area. So this sales organization is responsible for both these distribution channels, that is be online sales and distributor sales. So suppose if you want to have online sales for accessories, then what you have to do? Either you have to create a new sales area with the same sales organization, distribution channel, and BR. So if that happens, we have to make a lot of entries. Uh, if the sales organization is going to be doubled or triple, either if the distribution channel is going to be increasing, we have to make a lot of entries. Um, so in order to avoid these entries, the common distribution channel and distribution division common distribution okay, sorry the common distribution channel and common divisions comes into picture. So you can see here, this is the thumb rule uh, for determination of number of sales area. Okay, it shows that the number of sales org into number of distribution channel into number of divisions is the number of required sales area. So we have only one sales org, we have two distribution channels and two number of divisions. So with these combinations, we need four. We have to create four sales area. That is, if I want to distribute this online sales for this accessories, I have to go for another sales area. Similarly, if I want to go for a distributor, if I want to make gadget using the distributor, using this distributor sales, I have to go with another one. So to avoid these things, I have to go with the common divisions and the common distribution channels. So it comes into picture now. So this if let me say, for example, if we have another sales org, we have configured that another sales org means it will convert into two, which means we have to make 8 sales area. So likewise it goes on. So to avoid uh, number of to restrict this number of entries, I'm going to use a common distribution channel and a common division in my configuration. So let me do it in my configuration. So I have changed the document. So you can see here that now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make BE, there is online sales available for my accessories also. So for that I have to I have made this BE as a common distribution channel. You can see this in the transaction code Vivo R1. I will also show the navigation path. So this is the T code. Let me show it first. Okay, I'm entering into my navigation path. Okay, I'm closing the enterprise structure. I will enter into my sales and distribution. Here, click on this master data. Okay, you can find this common distribution channel and common divisions. This is Vivo R1. Let me execute it. Okay, you can find the T code here, Vivo R1. Okay, similarly, this is common divisions, Vivo R2. So what I'm going to do now is, okay, in the common distribution channel, that is Vivo R1, I'm going to configure these things. So I will defaultly get this B and BS in this Vivo R1. In that I'm going to make it BE as my common distribution channel. Let me show it. Let me configure. Executing this. Click on position. Enter my sales org. Okay, you can find the blank spaces here. I have not configured these things. Okay, this is condition. So the condition is I'm making this distribution channel as common. There is a online sales is common for okay, for this I will enter the condition is BE, that is online sales. Okay, what is this is this is customer material BE and BS, the same distribution channel itself. So I'm making available for both these distribution channels, BE and BS. Click on enter, click on save. Okay, I've maintained the common distribution channel. Okay, then go into the define common divisions. Here also I can search my sales or these data will be blank. So here I'm going to enter this thing, that is now I have entered into the VVOR2 take code, entered the sales or. Now I'm going to I should make this gadget, the division gadget, I'm going to make it as common, or else we can also make this accessory BR as common. Okay, let me change this thing BR as a common division, because I want to make this online sales for this accessories BR. Okay, so that I have changed my division as BR. So similarly, okay, there is no change. We can check it. Okay, let me configure this in BR and BA. Okay, BR and BA. It is okay. BR and BA. Okay, click on enter. Click on save. So I'm going to check it now. So for that, I will enter into new screen. Okay, let me check with the customer master data, that is XD01. We have not yet created the customer master data. We will have a separate session. But just now for time's sake, I'm configure. I'm try to explain it here. So my sales org is BRP. Let me show for this thing. Okay, let me try for. So before going to this, let me clarify this. This is the customer account group. Uh, we have not created yet. I'm using some default one. Leave behind this. We need these things only. So before going to that, let me change this thing. This division. Let me change this thing. Division is PA and PR. Okay. Let me save it. Okay. So after this configuration, my system will allow the online sales for gadget and accessories. So I have made this configuration in VivoR1 and VivoR2. So let me create a customer master XD01. Okay. Okay. Just click on enter. Okay. Let me try for and BA. Click on enter. So it allows. So likewise, my configuration can be configured. So by this way, we can maintain the common distribution channel and common division for my enterprise structure. So this method of configuring the common distribution channel and distribution division will avoid the number of entries in our sales area, setuping sales area. So you please try it out once in your system, so that you have a clear idea about it. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.